fellow who used to recite Ramayana. So he was coming to Dhar. And the speed of the car was about 60, 70 miles. And a boy came running against the car and he got stuck up. So when he stopped the car, the boy got up and ran away. They paid him 10 rupees and he ran away. When they went to Guru Maharaj, he saw that Guru Maharaj's blood was flowing in the floor. He asked the driver, why you drive so fast when you cannot control the vehicle? The blood was to be flown, not of the boy. I had to give this blood.
Take the wound.
Understand?
Yeah.
Whenever you drive, mind it. Drive at a speed you can control. Now if the boy would have been killed, you would have been taken all to prison. So I had to do this prayer, I had to throw my blood. Then he pardoned, I'm very sorry.
Great.
Once there was a big businessman. He was doing very good business. So Guru Maharaj gave him some cloth to his son, and the cloth was very cheap quality cloth. And he make trousers and shirt for you, for your son. Then he took the cloth and he thought, this is very cheap cloth and my son will not like that because this is very cheap. So he made only one shirt. He did not make the trousers. And his son was going and suddenly the accident was there and both the legs were broken. Then he came back to Guru Maharaj. Guru Maharaj said, I know you have got enough money. This was the shield given by me to you. But you have got so much money. So I think you don't need these shields. So now save your son. Then he realized that he has made a mistake. So whatever the prasad Guru Maharaj was giving, it was obvious. This is all things to understand the disciple that whatever Guru gives, it is not for fun. It is for something to help them. So this was the thing. Then he realized that it was.
So what you just explained, Basant, is Guru Dev gave some cloth material to a wealthy businessman disciple to make a shirt and trousers for his son. And because the businessman felt the material was not good enough quality and his son wouldn't like it, he only made a shirt. And shortly after, his son had an accident and broke both legs. And Guru Dev explained to the disciple, I gave you this cloth to make clothes that would act as a shield to protect your son, but because you only made a shirt, I could not protect his legs.
Yeah.
And the disciple needed to understand that everything the Guru does has a very profound meaning.
Yeah.
And he did not realize this. And his ego got in the way. Yeah. A very great
I'll
story.
narrate you a story. You know what happened? Prayer of Ramayana, who can read, on harmonium. He went with his son, and there was a big crowd. He was singing. Guru Maharaj asked that chap, his father, to accompany him for walk. He started from Tembe and took that chap with him and went to the other stations, outer signals, and brought him back.
And it was around 7 miles. Another
Coming and going, it would be 14 miles. When he came, his son had completed only one portion.
One line, only one line he could.
One line.
He was able to
Then
complete.
he asked his son, have you stopped in between? So, no, sir. Then Guru Maharaj told him, look here. Saint can extend the time.
They went together 7 miles and Guru Maharaj was
14
talking
miles
with
they
him.
have come.
And 7 miles they came back on
It
foot.
was only
And the son was reading only the one couplet.
was-
Only one line he could read. So he was saying, you didn't go, you were here. You go and came. This line has not been completed. How you came back? And he said, I had gone 7 miles and come 7 miles back. Then Guru Maharaj say, saint can extend the time even.
Time can be extended and can be
Can be
reduced.
reduced.
What you're saying, Basant, is there was a famous Pandit who is an author as well of the Ramayana, and him and his son went to visit Guru Dev,
Yeah.
and they took chanting their mantra very seriously, Japa Yoga. And the Guru Dev said to the father, let's go for a walk, while the son had decided to repeat the slokas to purify his mind. So the father and Guru Dev left and they went for a 7-mile walk. And they came back and the father said to the son, how many slokas did you repeat? And the son said, I only did one, you haven't been gone more than a few seconds. And this was an example of Guru Deva stretching time and showing that he was beyond dimensions.
Yeah.
And the son could not believe it and the father could not believe it. And this is, a good story for the other disciples to realize how transcendental Guru Deva was.
There was an engineer and who just passed out. He just became the engineer and he was trying for his job. He was an electrical engineer. So he came to Guru Maharaj and says, Guru Maharaj, I am going for job, so please help me. He said, okay, go, don't worry, you will have the job. He went there for interview and there was a strike and there was a sugar factory and the laborer has made a fault in the electricity. So the people ask, can you improve this? Can you repair the fault? So he said it was a big sugar factory and I was not able to see because from where they have cut the wire I was not knowing. So how I can repair within 15 minutes? So he says, I just close my eyes and prays to Guru Maharaj. Guru Maharaj, help me because this cannot be done within 15 minutes and an hour. So Guru Maharaj, he just closed the eyes and he saw in the blinks that Guru Maharaj saying him, when he was closing the eye, Guru Maharaj, he saw the Guru Maharaj and Guru Maharaj said, go to their stock room number 3rd. On the 3rd room, you just take out all the cans and on the down, they have cut the wire. So he went there and could take out all these things and here the wire has been cut down. And they took it out and they saw that wire was cut down, he joined it and that's what done. So they were shocked. How you know this is? Don't ask me. You ask me repair, I repaired it. So then this was his grace that he immediately he was knowing that what is the fault and how it has been done.